They say the holy water's watered down.
As you know, I started writing this vow more than 6 months ago. But every day, I changed something and I ended up not completing it. So I decided to write it on our wedding day. 2015 nung una tayo nagkita. Sa work, lagi kong kinukwento, nakasalubong kita sa hallway. Nag-slow motion lahat.
Look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down till we're dead and buried on the edge of your knife.
Cliché, pero totoo. Kahit palagi mong tinatanggi nang initian mo ako nun, ay yung simula ng lahat.
Of the ordinary, you got me kissing the ground of a sanctuary. Shatter me with your touch, oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds.
Ikaw ang sagot sa madami kong akala. Noong 2019, when we broke up, akala ko that was it. Akala ko tapos na tayo. For 5 years, nawala tayo. Akala ko nakamove on na ako. At sa tagal kong single, akala ko talaga di na ako mag-aasawa. September 2024, I was convinced and I was prepared na tatanda na akong dalaga. That I will be just a pretty tita.
Oh my, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down so we're dead and buried on the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds.
Today, I take you as my wife, and I vow before God, our families, and friends to honor you every day of my life.
God is so faithful with His promises. Di man sa timeline na gusto natin, pero ibibigay niya yun pag ready na yung puso mo. He is working silently at hindi siya nakakalimot. Hindi pa pala tapos yung story natin. Pinaghiwalay lang pala tayo kasi hindi pa tayo ready sa napakagandang plano ng Diyos para sa atin. Kasi nagkakasakitan lang tayo. And looking back, sobrang immature natin. Away-bate, on and off yung relationship natin.
Hindi ko naiisa-isan pa lahat ng pinagdaanan nating saya at pagsubok. Dahil sa puso at isip ko, simula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw ang tahanan.
Of the ordinary, you got me kissing the ground of a sanctuary. Shatter me with your touch, oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found.
And when we get back together ng November 2024, parang walang 5 years na nawala. Everything falls into their place.
Nung nagkahiwalay tayo, 5 years, hindi ka nawala sa puso ko. Alam ko, para tayo sa isa't isa. Sure ako. Walang doubts.
God didn't just bring us together. He tied our stories into a single thread that only He can weave.
Excited ka na ba? Ako. Sa araw na ito. Advice ko lang, huwag kayong matutulog na magkawin. Yun yung makakatulong. Congrats, pare.
Thank you, pre. Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Nakakabahan eh, no?
Mas kinakabahan yata ako.
I remember praying, asking God to give us a way back to each other. October 2024, sabi ko, Lord, ready na ako. Kailan? Kailan pa ba? Kailan ba ako mabibigyan ng chance makausap si Case? Kailan ba ako mabibigyan ng chance maging tayo ulit? Nung gabing yun, nakita ako sa Twitter. Text your ex day daw. So nag-text ako. Hindi ko alam na yung nakakatawa at simpleng pagkakataon na yun yung magiging simula ulit ng pagmamahalan natin.
Salamat and nandalayo niyo pa. So, thank you. And, okay ka na? Pinaghiwalay lang pala tayo ni Lord para ayusin natin mga sarili natin. God just broke us apart to let us discover ourselves, to resolve our own insecurities. Ganun pala yun. Pag alam mong siya na, I am amazed how God moves our lives, and I remembered Isaiah 60:22. When the time is right, I will make it happen.
This time, mas mature na tayo, mag-isip, mas understanding. Kung hindi dahil sa 5 years na yun, hindi tayo mag-grow. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa Lord. He has made everything beautiful in His time.
Invite Jesus into your marriage relationship. And that also goes with every situation in life.
I got so hard to fall so far, but I found heaven as love swept low. My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life when I laid it down. My wood falling, spirit soaring. I touched the sky.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa inyo guys. Kasi konti lang talaga friends ko. Hindi. Konti lang talaga friends ko, kaya kami ni Casey Rap ako sabi, sino kukunin kong abay? Pero salamat sa pagpapaunlak sa sa imbitasyon. Alam ko mga busy din kayo.
The gift of freedom.
Kaya today.
I bought the world and it showed my heavens that have me.
Ma, Pa, nagpapasalamat po ako mula sa puso sa buhay na ibinigay niyo kay Caitlyn, and I appreciate kung paano niyo siya minamahali na alagaan. And I promise po, pinapangako ko po, nagagawin ko yung lahat para mabigyan siya ng buhay na maganda, at patuloy kong ipapanalangin ang aming relasyon at hindi ko po siya sasaktan.
Mama B and Tito Jerry, thank you so much for all your support. From the bottom of my heart, I always appreciate you. I promise that I will take care of Nico and that I will love him always. Thank you so much.
Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again.
At ngayon, ang araw na pinakahihintay natin na magsasakalan tayo. Ang araw na tayo ay magiging isa. Excited na akong maging asawa mo at makasama ka hanggang sa pagtanda. I will not promise na walang away, but I will try my best to communicate my feelings to you. I may not be the perfect wife, but I just want to remind you that I should be your only wife.
I promise to treat you with understanding as we build a home together, to listen with patience, to lead with humility, and never with pride. I will value you as my equal partner. I will protect your heart and respect your strength. I will speak to you with kindness, and I will always choose you, even on the hard days. ako'y sa'yo ngayon at magpakailanman at hanggat may tibok ang aking puso, may hininga ang aking dibdib. Mamahalin kita, pararangalan kita, at iingatan kita. Ikaw ang aking pinipili sa bawat araw, sa bawat panahon, at sa bawat yugto ng aking buhay.
I will always be here for you, supporting you. I will always try to understand you, to cherish you, to submit to you, and to love you. This time wala nang break kasi walang divorce dito sa Pilipinas. I love you, may palagi, may constant, and may tahan.
You may now unveil your beautiful bride. Ngiti naman dyan, madam. Ayan. Audience, are you with me?